Bibi, what are you doing po?
Cleaning.
Cleaning?
Cleaning.
Cleaning the?
Cleaning the tops of the quilt.
The quilt.
What are you doing? Why putting water?
Kasi magbabanlaw na po. Babanlawan ko na po, yung quilt po.
Oh no, I don't have bubbles.
Finish na po tayo maglaba po ng quilt. Finish.
Finish?
Yes po. Thank you po for your help. Thank you so much for your help.
Clean more.
Huh? You want to clean more?
Yes.
But we already finished.
You need
And
to clean
also-
more.
And also, I have something to do pa. Like you're going to eat. And then, and after you eat, you're going to wash.
But I have a wet dress.
Ay, you wet dress na. O sige, mag-wash ka na ngayon. Mag-wash ka na bago ka mag-eat. Okay?